Okay guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to be creating a Thanksgiving flyer design just like this in Photoshop. Now the first thing we need to do is create our background. Now what we need to do is, now this is the resource files that were used for this particular designs. Now the first one we need to do is drag and drop this one into Photoshop. You drag and drop it like this into Photoshop, increase it like this. Aha, this is beautiful. After increasing it like this, now we're going to go to the next thing, which is this. Now we're going to drag this into Photoshop. Now the reason for dragging this into Photoshop is because we want to create an effect with this. So what we need to do, we need to separate this because this was gotten from Pinterest and the background was removed from BG Remover. So how we need to remove it, come to your polygonal lasso tool, either you select it like this, Ctrl J on it, you do the next one, but for this I'll just hasten the step. Okay guys, we're done separating it. Now you can move this, Ctrl Z, you can move this, Ctrl Z. Now that's what we can do. So for each of them we are going to be clip maxing an image into the shape. So for this one now, you click on it, come to the place you have your resource file, this will drag and drop this into Photoshop, reduce a little bit. Now depend on what you want, but for this I want this particular fill, so you click on the next one, a mini star, this lady like this, right click, create clipping marks like this, click on the next one, Ctrl G to group, you name this pics, right click, convert to a smart object. Now you can move the image like this, but in case you want to readjust it, you can just simply double click on this dot here. Okay, now this is what we have. The next we're going to do is drag this to the top like this. This is beautiful, this is beautiful. Now the next thing we're going to do is, this was the picture that was used, which is the picture of the man of God, Pastor Felix. So increase, we're going to remove the background. So come to your, then you select the subject. Like this. This is beautiful. If you're done doing this, so what we're going to do now, all these parts that are not selected, we're going to select them correctly. So for this, I'm going to hasten this step. Okay guys, we are done with the selection. So what we're going to do now is to Ctrl J on it. So Ctrl J on it like this. Now you're going to delete this one. Okay, now if you're done deleting it, the next thing we're going to do is Ctrl T on it, Ctrl T on this, increase like this. This is beautiful. So this, now add a layer mask on it, click on your brush tool, you can choose to reduce the opacity, then increase, then brush like this, brush like this. This is beautiful, this is beautiful. So the next thing we're going to do now is to Ctrl T on it again, increase. We want it bold like this. Thank you. So if you're done with this part, what we need to do next is to add a background, which is this background. Drag and drop this background into Photoshop, increase like this. Thank you. Add a layer mask on it. You brush like this, take off this part. You brush like this. You brush like this. So all we need to do next is click on the image, add the layer mask. After adding the layer mask, come to your brush tool. The shortcut for it is B. Then brush around like this. Can you see what we're giving it? So if you're done with this, Ctrl T, adjust like this. Now this is what we have. Click on this one also. You can adjust it. Okay, now this is beautiful. If you're done with this, the next thing we need to do now is Thanksgiving and Testimony Sunday. So this is the Thanksgiving, and the font we used for this was the Monstrand font. So we're gonna make this all caps. Take this close, like this. So change the color to white, like this. This is beautiful. If you're done with this, now you Ctrl J on it to copy. Double click on it. Testimony Sunday. Ctrl T. Reduce like this. I take it this way. Make sure it aligns. Thank you. This is beautiful. If you're done, then you group them. Ctrl G to group. Right click on it. Convert to smart object. If you're done converting it to smart object, Ctrl T on it. Then come over here. Come to your warp. Then we use flag for this. We're gonna go like this. We're gonna go like this. But for this, we'll go like this. This is beautiful. Ctrl T, then reduce it a little bit, take it up. This is what we have. We're getting there. Click on the image. Okay, now if you're done with this, guys, now the next thing we're going to do is Ctrl J on the text. Ctrl J on the text like this. Then the one below, come to your filter, come to your blur, come to your radiant blur, 10, spin, good. Okay, ta-da. Now this is what we have. Alright, we're getting there, but we are not there yet. So what we need next is this. Drag and drop it into Photoshop. Take this down. Ctrl T on it. You flip vertical. Okay. This is what we have. Then you Ctrl J on it. You take it this way. Ctrl T on it. Hold shift, then you can adjust. That's if you are using Photoshop from 2019. But if you're using from 2020 upward, you don't need to click on shift. So guys, this is what we have, but we're not done. So the next thing we need to do, we need to change the color. So for this, you right click on it, come to your blend option. No, not for this, sorry. Let's go back. For this, right click on it. We'll change the color of this. Okay, then for this one, right click on it, come to your blend option, change it to white. So if you're done with this, click on the both of them, make sure it's centralized. Ctrl T, then you can reduce it or increase it depending on what you want. So for this, So we won't waste much of our time. I'll just copy this. I'll copy this. I'll copy this. I'll copy this. So we'll just paste this. Ctrl T. These are just combination of text. Increase like this. Aha, this is what we have. But if you observe now, this was supposed to be Treasured Life Church, but the T here is missing. So all we need to do for that is we'll locate the logo. This is the logo of the church. So you drag and drop it into Photoshop like this. Take it up. So we just want this logo, we don't want the right up. So you just use your polygonal lasso tool to take it out. Ctrl J on, okay, Ctrl D. We didn't select it well, so we are going to select it like this. Ctrl J, click on it again, then we're going to remove this. Ctrl J. Okay, if you're done with this, now you delete this one. Delete. We'll take this here. We'll delete this. We'll delete this. Then for this one, we'll take this one here. Ctrl T on it. Adjust like this. Take this one over here. Reduce a little bit. Take it up. Take it down like this. Okay, this is what we have for the church. Then this one, Ctrl T. Take this one this way like this. Aha, that's for the church. Now guys, this is what we have. This is very beautiful, but we're not there yet. So the next thing we're going to do now is we're going to click on this instrument, drag and drop it into Photoshop like this. Increase this, take it this way. I'm going to take it up like this. Aha. So this is what we have. So you come to your filter, come to your camera raw filter. So for this, we're going to load our preset. We're going to apply the preset on it. Thank you. So this is what we have. So what we're going to do now is come to your filter, come to your blur, come to your motion blur. This is what we have. Ctrl J on it, Ctrl T on it, right click on it, flip horizontal, take it this way. Aha, can you see what we have? Now come to the place again. For this, drag and drop this into Photoshop. Increase, right click, flip horizontal, reduce a little bit. For this, we're going to curve it like this. Aha, so come to your filter, come to your camera raw filter. We're going to apply that precept on it. Right click, apply precept. So this is what we have. Tara, this is what we have, guys. We're getting there, but we're not there yet. So come over here. This, we're going to drag this into Photoshop. Increase like this. Come to your blend option, apply linear dodge, adjustment layer. So to create a church flyer design is very easy. All you just need to do is understand what you are designing. It makes your work very easy. It makes your work very easy. Now this is what we have. Now you can see the before and the after. So we don't want it here. Okay, can you see what we have? Then for the image, we increase the pastor. We increase the pastor. Aha, like this. We're gonna brush a little bit. Right click, convert to smart object like this. So you come to filter, come to your camera raw filter. We want to apply the filter on So right click on it, apply our preset. These are our presets. This is how it is, but we need to apply it again. So all we need to do now is to come to our filter again, come to your camera raw filter, right click, apply the precept again. This is what we have. You can keep applying the precept till you're okay with it, but for me I'm okay with it like this. So come to the place we have our resource files. So for this where is it, for this exactly, so you're going to drag this into Photoshop, increase like this. You can adjust it, or but for this let's use we use linear dodge, your brush tool. So we are going to increase our opacity to so reduce like this. Reduce a little bit. So we're going to bring back this part, we're going to bring it, then this we're going to take it out. So what we're going to do now, we're going to drag it below the pastor like this. So can you see what we have below the pastor? If you're done with this part, this is looking very beautiful. It's looking very beautiful, but we're not done. So the next thing we need to do now is to click on this. You remember, click on this, come to your filter, come to your camera raw filter, right click, apply precepts. Tada, this is what we have. So click on okay. Now can you see the difference? Let's see the before and let's see the after. Now this is what we have, guys. In case you want to add any other thing, you can add, but for this we're just going to drag and drop the name of the lead pastor, which is Pastor Felix Eweno there. Take it up. Okay guys, this is what we have. This is very easy to do in Photoshop. For more videos like this, don't forget to click on the subscribe bell, and in case you want to join my Telegram channel for more videos like this and resource files, you'll see a link below. Just click on the link. Tada, you're in the channel. You can get whatever resource you want for your design. Till next time.